21. One amazing ass car right here that I want you guys to check out. Terminator Cobra. Supercharged V8. Factory forged internals. This thing sounds absolutely insane. You guys are gonna get to hear it right now, right here. Wow, look at that. What's the blower setup on it?
It's a Gen 5 3.0 Whipple.
Holy crap. What did you make us down, like 700 almost?
Yeah, almost.
Just under 700 wheel, guys. Yo, look at the size of this intake. That is insane. Wow. You guys already know I'm a big sucker for V8, so this is gonna sound absolutely insane and I can't wait to hear it. Oh man. What am I building, bro? Like,
It's actually fast. What are you doing?
There we go. Oh my god.
I think that might be my problem.
Yeah? Oh my god. Train tracks, train tracks. This is the greatest sound ever, man. Oh my god. Oh, this is such a clean sound. Oh my god. Unbelievable. So 3-liter Whipple, right?
Yeah, 3-liter Gen 5.
Factory forged motor.
Yeah.
Holy shit. And then just cooling mods on top of that, exhaust work.
Yeah.
And stock cams in there, like.
I got the so I have ID 1350 injectors.
Okay.
Triple pumps on it. I got way too much fuel for it. The fuel system's built for 2,500 horsepower.
Oh shit.
Because I told him I wanted to run E85.
Yeah.
Right? And then he was like, okay.
This is out of the tunnel. every tunnel you go through.
Yeah,
I'm the same way, man. I'm the same way.
The whole reason, right?
Little tunnel for you. Oh my God, that is amazing. That is the greatest sound ever. Just straight through the roundabout. Wow, and then right. Why did it have to rain, man?
Yeah.
Does it get sketchy in the rain?
Yeah.
Shit.
It's gonna be a ride. It's the first time I'm actually taking these tires. These tires are like brand new, right?
Okay.
I've driven into 17s in it before. So.
Thank you guys so much for watching. Make sure to check out my other videos of the G and AMG. I also drop videos of all kinds of other epic builds that you do not want to miss. Don't forget to hit that subscribe button and hit that bell with the notification so you know exactly when I drop a video. See you next time.
Hey yo.